Greetings, Dennis Daniels here. This is oterm. I'm running it on PowerShell on Windows 11, and in order to install it, you need to have UVX installed, and this is the command under PowerShell. Zoom in so you can see that. And then you install it, UVX oterm, and what you get, let's see if it actually works on the second terminal. Okay, seems to be working. Although it may not like, oh, it's okay with the zoom. And it picked up my other instance, which is over here. Okay, that's fine. What is really super cool, I just found this, is if you hit the arrow key, you get your previous prompts, which I think that's just super cool. I hope escape works to get out. Yes, it does. So Control N to get a new instance, and then I can choose which model I want to use, and they definitely have their pros and cons. DeepSeek latest. With the DeepSeek latest, let me see if I can set no think. Let's see if that works here. It's not allowing me to zoom while it's thinking. Let's see, no, it's not allowing me to zoom in this instance, which I don't know why it copied to message board, but that's okay. So set no think, that's fine. And so let's go with, I'm going to go back to something that I got happy about, which was Llama 3.2. And the system, let's see if, no, it's not allowing me to arrow up. So let's go ahead and create a new instance because the zoom is killing it. Let's go to UVX oterm, and it's going to now load up the Llama logo. Okay, so it picked up the previous instances. So here's DeepSeek, here's Llama 3.2, and here's chat number 3. I'm not quite sure how to close out those. Control W? No, Control W does not work. Let's go back to 3.2, and you can see that I have, let's arrow up, and it remembers the chat, and now I can go back and re-edit this. Should include the original user input, the model name, and the output as JSON. Save the file to the desktop. Let's see if that is even possible. Okay, so it doesn't allow me to access the file system. Maybe that's something that oterm has. And you can see right here, okay, that was interesting. Following JavaScript to generate the JSON data and save it as a file on my desktop. Well, let's see if I copy. I don't know how to copy these files. There's no UI that says copy in here. And the arrow key is not working. Control A is not working. Control Shift A gets everything, which I don't want. Escape to close out. Anyway, go play with oterm. Looks very promising, and big thanks to the developer. Thanks for watching, and happy computing.